Welcome to this short animation by KCI, Kinetics Controls and Innovation Limited. This animation showcases the capabilities and applications for MaxSeal and MS Sealant. MaxSeal and MS Sealant are used for the isolation of leaks within the wellhead system. We will focus on a leaking 13 3/8 casing hanger for this example. Here we show the sea annulus pressure of 800 psi acting from below the casing hanger. There is a test port between the two neck seals. The B annulus has a pressure of 1500 psi. Sting the 13 3/8 casing hanger void and vent any residual pressure. Allow the void to pressure up so we can understand where the leak is coming from. As 800 psi has built up in the void, this confirms that the leak is from the casing hanger seals below. To verify the leak path, we sting the neck seal cavity. Vent off any residual pressure and allow the cavity to pressure up. No pressure built up between seals. Attach the KCI tooling to the casing hanger void test port and deploy test fluid to establish a leak size and rate. We know the void is 5 litres, so have 6 litres available. Deploy the test fluid against the 800 psi within the void. The leak rate is 500 millilitres over 10 minutes. As this operation is for a part fill, we only mix and deploy 4 litres of sealant. As the sealant is deployed, it sinks to the bottom of the void and displaces the test fluid through the leak path. We clear the injection fitting and porting by deploying a small volume of high viscosity grease. We then go back to deploy some test fluid to squeeze the sealant down into the leak path. Allow the sealant to fully cure, then carry out a pressure build-up test using the annulus pressure of 800 psi to verify the isolation has been successful. The Wellhead Seal integrity has been reinstated. Contact KCI for more information.